Bohemian Rhapsody. Today I'm going to be taking a skipping rope. This is actually one of those, I think it's sometimes referred to as a Chinese skipping rope. So it's a continuous loop rope and it's actually got some elasticity to it. I just picked this up at the dollar store for $1.25. You can take something simple like a skipping rope and use it in lieu of ribbon. Now it could be part of the gift if you were giving the gift to a child, but it certainly doesn't have to be. And then I'm just going to embellish it with some simple buttons. So this is going to be a fairly quick video. I'm just going to move these out of the frame. This is actually not even a wrapped box. This is an IKEA box. It comes in white, and I just thought that for the next few videos I'm just going to be using this plain box just to show you how I can simply dress up just a plain white box. You don't even have to wrap it. So what I'm going to do is take the rope and I'm just going to begin to randomly wrap around the box. And I have kind of pre-done an idea that I liked, but it's very random. There's not really a way to do it. It's just kind of, I like the way it turned out. So we're just going to kind of wrap around and see what we end up with. The thing with this, with using this is that it's kind of a rainbow color, but the colors are all kind of mixed together, so you're not even kind of sure how the colors are going to land together in terms of what colors are going to show up on the top and what colors are going to show up on the bottom. I think the key to this is just really letting them fall as they may. One thing that I noticed when I did it last time was I did really like the idea of the pink and the purple intersecting, just because the buttons that I found really went with that nicely. So all I'm going to do is slide this over a little bit. Again, no right or wrong way to do this, but you can see I've just kind of got a nice design. It's elastic. It kind of holds the lid on the box because in this case it's not even wrapped. I'm just going to set this out of the frame for just a second. And then I'm going to bring my buttons in, and what I'm going to do with the buttons is I'm actually going to go through the bottom. I've just put a needle in just basically so I can get through those holes a little bit easier with this string. And then I'm going to pull it through the top. This one. Probably just get this one right through. Just finicky if you're doing all of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this tight. I'm going to give it a knot. And then I'm just going to trim those ends. I actually like the idea of it just kind of sticking out a bit there. Alright, so now you can already see just by looking at the little star here, this is just two stacked buttons, but I can create two different looks. One would be how it's staggered like this, so you can actually see the pink star popping out from underneath the green star, but you could also swivel it a little bit so that your stars actually line up. And in this case, to embellish this gift, all I would do, I'm just going to bring my gift back into my frame, and all I would do to finish this gift off is actually kind of find a place. Like I say, I like the pink and the purple intersecting there, and all I would do is take that and I would just hot glue that in place. So what I'm going to do in this case is I don't want to hot glue it because I'm going to take it off this box. So I'm just going to put some tape on the bottom of it. So again, you can see how just adding that little button just helps to finish off the gift a little bit. If I was to hot glue gun this in place, it would sit a little bit more balanced. Took less than 2 minutes to pull that gift together, and it's simply when you go out, when you're shopping, for example, going to the dollar store or some of the thrift stores that you might go to, try to think outside the box. Try to think about how you can decorate a gift using items that you might not necessarily consider to be gift wrapping items. So again, in this case, just to summarize, we have a skipping rope and buttons, and I think it really pulls together beautifully to make a lovely gift. So I hope you like this idea, and I hope you'll visit Bohemian Rhapsody again. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel for more great gift wrapping ideas. Thanks so much and have a great day.